there from Bugeye guys. This is AN5L501, the very first Bugeye Sprite, production Sprite off the line, 501. And I just wanted to take a minute and talk to you about tires in this video. These are the bias plies that would have originally come on a car, 520 13s. This is a reproduction of the exact Dunlop tire tread. Everything looks the same. It's a really nice tire. We sell these now. It's a modern reproduction and it drives just like the original. These are from 22, but the new ones that we would get you would have a newer date. These have been on for a few years. But that's what it would have looked like when you got your new Bugeye with its performance tires. Pretty amazing how slender they are, but they work quite well. I was really surprised. These are nice riding bias plies. Most of the time when we see cars with bias ply tires, they are so old and hard that you really don't give them a fair shake, but these are soft and they're really fun to drive. So if you like originality, it's worth considering that. Most people are using a radial tire for good reason. They work better probably in every way. And this is a 155 tire, which has become the standard. A lot of people want to use the 145, which would be a little closer to the 520, but we use 155 as our default setting. This is a Kumo tire that we use. We sell all of these tires in our catalog. This is a very nice tire. It's economical. It performs well. And since most of the time people are aging out their tires on these cars, you know, unlike your daily driver, your Bugeye will probably never wear out a set of tires, but the date is what matters most. So they will age out usually before they wear out. So they all wear perfectly wonderfully. Some are a little stickier than others, which brings us to this one, which is the Blockley tire that we sell. And what's interesting here is I just want to keep inviting the conversation about tires as art. They are sort of neglected in terms of their aesthetic. For most people, they're a tire. Who cares? But here's a tire that is art. I really like the shape of this tread pattern. It makes it kind of interesting. So if you like that sort of thing, that's why we chose this tire for this particular car called Sage, which is a very high-end build, very custom interior. I'll give you a quick glimpse here. Superbly unique leather hides, so it warrants a more custom tire that makes a bit of a statement. So if you like the Blockleys, this is a 165 Blockley, and we sell those in our catalog as well. And then coming over here, I'll show you one other tire option, which is the Michelin XAS. And I love these tires. This is a car that isn't as cosmetically upgraded, but it's getting a massive mechanical upgrade. And this tire, what I really like about this tire is that it's a very kind of iconic vintage radial tread pattern. If you remember, you know, probably like a Maserati Bora or something of that ilk in the early 70s would have come new with these XASs. So it's got this distinctive zigzag pattern. This is a 155 XAS, which is again that sort of somewhat stock size, a little bit bigger than the 520s you saw on 501, but a nice grippy radial with a very nice shape and look to it. So these are all tires that we sell in our catalog. We'd love to help you get your Bugeye shod with the right shoes. This, of course, is all relevant for any Sprigget all the way up to 1980. All these tires will fit. They're all 13-inch tires. We have them all here at Bugeye, guys.